Guys, good afternoon, UAE. Good evening, Philippines. Welcome to my vlog. I need to pick up the kids in school today. Look up the sun. It's a sunset. See, the sun is hiding in the there, the side of the building. There. Sun is ano ba? That's my favorite. The sun, afternoon sunlight. Pick up time. Pick up. School. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Hello. If you like my video, don't forget to like, heart, leave comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. The sun is so bright. Bye guys.